Hey my beauties, so welcome back, and if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm actually going to recreate the look that I had in my recent video where I tried on the wig from Temu. I just did like a quick nude eye and a red lip, so I am going to go ahead and recreate that look. And y'all, I do not like my brows, like, yeah, they're not doing what they need to do, so we ain't gonna even think about it. All right, so okay, camera. All right, so for my eyes, I use the COLOURPOP eyeshadow palette. Now, they don't sell this anymore. Why are y'all falling? Where y'all going? So I'm gonna be using this palette from COLOURPOP, and the palette is called Bare It All. Now, they don't sell this palette anymore, but if you do have it, you can follow along. But girl, you have these colors in your collection. These are basically neutral colors, so you don't necessarily need this palette. So when I wear a red lip, I like to go for colors like this. I like to go for a really nice neutral, soft, smoky eye. So the first shade that I'm going to use is this medium brown color. It's basically like a medium brown kind of shade. It's not too light, it is not too dark, it's right in the middle. So I'm going to use that as my transition. So I'm just starting off with something very soft because we're going to deepen up the crease. Now I'm going to go in with this deep dark brown shade, and I'm going to use that to deepen up my outer V. This is what's going to make the look smoky. So while I was editing this video, I realized that I had like a white cast on my face. That is just from the primer that I use. So my face is not ashy. That's just from the primer that I use that you see on my cheek and my nose. So yeah, that's just dried up primer. Okay, back to the video. This is what's gonna make the look smoky. And this is what I always do when I am doing a red lip. All right, so on to the fun part. I'm gonna go ahead and add this shade on my lid. This is just a basic nude color. Once again, you can always find this color in a palette that you have nearby. It's always one of these shades in the palette. So as you guys can see, I started off with a medium brown, a dark brown, and I'm going in with a really light nude shade. And this is just gonna bring just a little bit of light to the eye, just gonna highlight the lid. And this is where the classic like Hollywood kind of vibe is coming in, you know. And then once you do your whole entire face, it's gonna all come together. Now you can cut your crease if you like cutting your crease. I am a lazy girl. I like to use the eyeshadow and the brush to cut my crease because you know, makeup is already a process anyway. It's already a lot of steps, and I just don't be having time, and I don't feel like it. So I don't need to be doing all that all the time. Now there are times where I feel like you know when it's time to cut your crease, but you ain't gotta cut it all the time, girl. Add a little bit of black on the outer V because that is really harsh. That's a harsh, you know, application. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some brown right there. I don't know if I just said black, and just, you know, you see how I kind of clean up everything. And I'm gonna take the tip of the brush and I'm gonna go in the in my crease and kind of clean up everything. I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of blend that. Your fingers are a great tool as well. To prime my face, I use the LA Girl Pro Prep, and I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline foundation in the color 355 Coconut. I'm just gonna pounce that on my face. I'm using, what is this, girl? A Japanese brush. I'm pretty sure 99.9% I got this from Marshall's, and they always sell like Japanese brushes. I like their brushes. I like to go over my ears a little bit. I got a bad habit of using the camera as a mirror. So for concealer, I'm gonna mix the L'Oreal concealer in Honey. And I'm going to mix the Kiss concealer from the beauty supply store. This is in the color Warm Honey. I'm going to add a little bit of this just to add like a little highlight just in the corner. Ooh, that's a lot. And I would let it sit. I don't feel like it. I got other videos to film, so I don't feel like waiting for it to sit, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I know like people like to let their concealer sit, but I don't feel like it. I'm ready to blend. Use my sponge dry because that's just what works for me. Clean up the edges with my foundation brush. And then I'm gonna do this side. This is the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Loose Powder in Soft Honey. So put it on the back of my hand. My face powder, I'm using Fenty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the color 410. Yes, I use this from Real Techniques. And this is, what is this? This is the powdered brush. I think this is on sale, this brush right here. And this is a brand new brush. So I'm going to bronze my face with the COVERGIRL Full Spectrum bronzer in the color Ebony. This is the older package. Not the older package, but when it came back out, I have, yeah, that's why mine's look different. I do have the newer packaging, and I'm about to hit pan on this. This is actually in my shop, my stash. I should have been hit pan on this. I had this for years, but I was trying other bronzers. So, but I'm about to hit pan on it really soon. So I was thinking about doing like a project pan video, but I don't know. Like, I have a few things that I hit pan on, but I don't want to feel obligated to work on something just to hit pan on it. Or I don't know, I just kind of want to work through my collection just at a, you know, at a fun pace. But I guess like along the way I could show you guys what I have hit pan on. But I do have like, I'm gonna hit pan on that bronzer. I have like 2 other bronzers I'm gonna hit pan on. I'm gonna put on this blush from Milani. This is COCO Felicita. It goes perfect with the bronzer. Like, you see the difference. Like, it just does what it needs to do. And it has a little shimmer. Does it have shimmer to it? It's kind of, it's doing something, right? Got a little radiance going on. But, oh, take my sponge and just kind of go underneath just a tad bit. I still gotta do my lashes. Like, I love eyelashes, but it's just I don't feel like putting them on. Like, I love eyelashes, but that's just another, like, you gotta take them out the box. You gotta cut them a little bit. You gotta put the glue on there. Then you gotta wait till the glue dry a little bit. Like, it's just a lot. Let's try these lashes from Temu. These are from Temu. And we gonna see what it do. These are short in the inner part, and then they flare out. Okay. I'm nervous. I don't think I like them. Maybe they might look better without eyeshadow, or I feel like it's, I mean, I know this is the style of it is supposed to look like full on the outside, and I wish it was just a little bit more fuller on the inner part. I guess that's okay if, because you know sometimes eyelashes, certain eyelashes, they will hide your eyeshadow look. So I guess it's okay for that, but since the eye is neutral, I mean, I don't care. Before I apply any like lip color, I always wipe my lips beforehand. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Lady Balls. This is my favorite red lipstick, and I do have it in the, so I have it in the liquid lipstick version, and then I have it in the just regular traditional lipstick as well. But that one is called Lady Bold. They had to change the name or whatever. Oh, I didn't spray my face. Okay, now I kind of like the lashes now. Okay, Temu. Okay, Temu. At first I wasn't feeling it. I guess I'm so used to, like, you know, really wispy lashes. And what is this on my hand? But I'm kind of feeling it. Okay, it's something different. Okay, I like it. You can see your eyeshadow still, and it's giving you a little bit of flirtiness. But I guess you got to be careful because this one kind of lopsided. So just be careful how you put it on. I'm gonna spray my face. I haven't used this in a while because I had to stop using it, but we're gonna use it today, honey. Ugh. Ooh, yes, love this. This is my look. The only thing that's different is my eyelashes that I had on in that video where I tried on the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys comment down below and subscribe. Let me know if you're gonna try this look out. It's really simple, you guys. So I only use 3 eyeshadows. I did my face, red lip, and that's it. Make sure you guys comment down below, subscribe, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.